Yeah. And then I was like, what the fuck are you doing, dude?
It's easier to catch rain in your mouth than it is with snow. It's everywhere and it doesn't fall so slow.
Fuck, these are awesome, dude. I love these. Okay. You want to bring your bowl? Go for it. Okay. Damn, I always wanted to buy one of these for filmmaking. Or for a podcast, get a bigger, more expensive one and plug the actual mics into this shit.
Yeah. There's like attachments there.
These things are great. I never bought one. What kind of camera
Ever
you got?
stolen a nearsighted person's glasses to gaze upon the stars?
What model is it? That is the right time.
I can't help you. My stomach hurts. Please help me.
Okay, I'll call your mom. I'm gonna call your mom. I'm gonna. Okay.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Who is that?
You gotta know the difference between the rapid and the what's the Grand Valley line called? Laker line? Laker line? Yeah. Do not know which bus you're going on. I went on the Laker line.
Hey, wait, what did you guys do, by the
We had to
way?
call an Uber dinner night.
You guys were
Oh,
talking
we
about
got a
you guys got left by the bus or something? What happened with that?
We just texted the group me and someone. No wait.
What happened with the bus to begin with?
Well, we just got there and it was like no more service until tomorrow morning. So then and then we looked on the app and it said like 9 hours till next bus.
Yeah, in the underground place on the bus.
He's just left.
All the deep sea fish. All the deep sea fish. Yeah. That was us.
Alright, I'm about to take this bowl of sweet one. Alright, you coming too? You want to stay?
I'm gonna stay, I think.
Okay.